Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add skills to your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, open up Google. Now once you're on Google, type in LinkedIn. Now after that, go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to click on these three dots right here, and in here enable desktop site. Now once you're here, I'm just going to zoom in, click on me right here, and in here click on view profile. Now in here click on add profile section. Now in here, click on add skills at the bottom right here. Click on it. Now after that, type in the skill that you want to add. I will go for video production. Now from here, select the place from you learn this skill. I will go for ACCA, and after that click on save. And after that, this will show up saying your skill has been added. Now if you want to add more skills, click on add more skills right here. So that is pretty much it, and that is how you can add your skills in your LinkedIn profile. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add skills to your LinkedIn profile. Now once you're at the home page of LinkedIn, click on your profile picture right here, click on it. Now in here click on view profile. Now once you're at the profile section, click on add profile section, click on it. Now in here scroll down until you find add skills in the course window, click on it. Now in here, add a skill. I will go for project management. Now after that, select from where you learned the skill. I'll go for ACCA, and after that, click on save. And after that, this will show up saying your skill has been added. Now, if you want to add more skills, you can do so by clicking here, add more skills, and that is it. So that is how you can add skills to your LinkedIn profile.